SoniXs TAI-6, the new generation in strapping solutions. Pro and base machine diversity from Mosca, from entry model to high-end product. SoniXs TAI-6 Pro, the intelligent high-tech system. The new generation of high-performance strapping machines in standard 6 design for inline cross-strappings. Precise, incremental package positioning combined with metric definition of strapping positions ensure exact strapping results. Good accessibility thanks to easy dismantling of machine components. Quick, simple maintenance of the new standard 6 strap path thanks to tool-free dismantling of relevant components. The patented ultrasonic technology ensures highly economical welding results and is particularly low in emissions. The sonotrode is specifically tailored to strapping requirements and oscillates at a frequency of 40 kHz during the welding process. The energy required for welding is directly applied in the joining zone of the strap ends. The high-frequency oscillation of the sonotrode produces molecular friction in the joining zone and plastifies the material. During welding, the molecular chains are reordered along the melt flow. Upon cooling under joining pressure, the top-quality welding of the strap ends is achieved. User-friendly coil changes. The automatic strap threading system ensures a simple and quick coil change. A colorful touch panel ensures intuitive operation and programming of all relevant machine parameters. Additional values, such as strap tension or conveyor speed, can be allocated to a specific product. Energy-efficient electromechanical actuators optimize the processes. Depending on product measurements, actuators including hold-down device and package stop are pre-positioned, which reduces process time. Product throughput increases. SoniXs TAI-6 Pro. Fast, efficient, intelligent. SoniXs TAI-6 Pro. The intelligent, fully automated high-tech system for inline cross-strapping. SoniXs TAI-6 Base. The cost-efficient entry model in the inline cross-strapping technology. Easy machine operation via digital display in the operating panel. Easy changeover of machine parameters, such as conveyor speed or strap tension. Pneumatic actuators, such as the hold-down device and the package stop, ensure perfect product handling. All machine versions are easy to operate, regardless of whether they are controlled pneumatically or electromechanically. All feature an open and easily accessible construction. All TAI-6 machines demonstrate excellent throughput and feature high machine availability. SoniXs TAI-6 Base is the cost-efficient entry model in the inline cross-strapping technology. SoniXs TAI-6, the new generation in strapping solutions.